Hello and welcome to e-GMAT. We will solve question number 85 of OG Verbal Second Edition by using e-GMAT three-step process. In the first step, we will understand the meaning of the sentence. In the second, we will evaluate the errors in the sentence, and finally, we will review all the answer choices to get to the correct answer. So let's begin. According to a study by the Carnegie Foundation for the Advancement of Teaching, companies in the United States are providing job training and general education for nearly 8 million people, about equivalent to the enrollment of the nation's four-year colleges and university. This sentence presents a few facts. It says that according to a study by the Carnegie Foundation for the Advancement of Teaching, many companies in the US are providing job training and general education for nearly 8 million people. This number is equal to the number of students who enroll for four-year colleges and universities in the nation. Let us evaluate the errors by splitting this sentence into its clauses. Since this sentence has only one subject-verb pair, we have only one clause. Companies in the United States is the subject and are providing is the verb. Now notice that the United States cannot be the subject in this clause because it falls in the prepositional phrase that modifies companies. Being the head of this phrase, companies will decide the number of the verb. Since companies is in plural, it takes plural verb are providing. Now the two entities compared in the sentence are not logically parallel. 8 million people, that stands for X, has been illogically compared to enrollment, that stands for Y, and these two entities are logically not parallel. Hence we have parallelism issue in this sentence. Also, people receiving job training cannot be equivalent to people going to colleges. Their numbers can be equivalent to each other, but people themselves cannot be equivalent to each other. Hence, equivalent is the wrong quantity word to be used for people, and that leads to idiom error in this sentence. So these are the errors here, and let us run the POE to find out what's the correct answer. Well, choice A is not correct as we discussed just now. Choice B is also not correct because it repeats the same idiom error as in choice A. Choice C repeats the same idiom error as in A again and hence is incorrect. Choice D is incorrect because it repeats the same parallelism error as in choice A. So now we are only left with choice E, and choice E is the correct answer because now both the entities are logically parallel, and here correctly the number of people getting job training is parallel to the number of students going to colleges and universities. So E is the correct answer for this sentence. Let's take a look at the takeaway messages. All the idioms in the sentence must be worded correctly for the effective meaning of the sentence. Also, the entities compared must be logically as well as grammatically parallel to each other. The concepts tested in this sentence have been covered in e-GMAT Concepts Level 2 Idioms Comparisons and Level 2 Parallelism Comparisons.